Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you Behance versus Dribble, which is better. So here we're going to do a comparison on both. So as you can see right here we have Dribble, and here in the other side we're going to have our Behance. So Behance and Dribble are both categories for destination for designs, of course, such as Dribble. But here Behance is handled by Adobe, as you can see, and Dribble is a standalone website. So here we are going to see the list of designers, so digital designers in general. So as you can see right here, they both have the same interface. When you go explore, you're going to see the same interface where you see creative visualization arts and many much more. But here, once you upgrade, you'll have your 7-day free trial. And here, I'm not really sure if they do have that, but you can go pro right here also. So basically, this is a platform where people can showcase their designs and get paid for doing so. So here, we're going to compare it. As you can see, here in Dribble Pro, you're going to get $8 monthly, billed annually. So basically, you can grow your audience and get almost 10 million in creatives. And you can also get hired to get 1 million in brands. So you can get started today right here. So all you have to do is press this button if you want to get started. So here you can triple your engagement by going pro, and they even have exclusive offers from Webflow and for Dribble Pros. So you can upgrade your professional board, and you can see you can also upgrade it to being a professional brand for your being designer. So here you can upgrade to pro. So here you will be having your priority visibility in hiring feeds, 10 times more visibility, instant creative portfolio, enhanced profile presentation, and showcase projects. You also have your ad-free browsing experience and create a team account for your agency if you do have a team. You also have your stats and analytics, and you can even subscribe monthly for $16 a month. But unlike here in your Adobe, you're going to have $13 monthly, unlike here where you get $16 monthly. You can also get billed annually, but this is going to be a monthly bill, of course. This is going to be $10 compared to $8, which is pretty cheap here in your Dribble Pro. So here I would really prefer Behance since it has a larger audience, and you can get more audience from here, because as you can see when you go to the page, you will see there's a lot of views already. Unlike here in Dribble, where there's quite significant views, you can compare them both. They're pretty reachable, but in the end of the day, you want to go with Adobe, the big company. As you can see right here, they have more connections, and you can even connect this with other platforms such as your Photoshop, as you can see, and Lightroom, where you can integrate it there. And when it comes to assets right here, you can buy them, and you can filter them out with PDF, JPEG, PSD, GIF, and if you want free or premium, and you can download this too. And here also you can do so here by actually going to jobs or find designers. You can do a designer search right here, or you can post one as a job. So here you want to get in touch with them, so they're not going to give you prices right away. But unlike here in Behance, you can go and actually search a design you already want and pay for it upfront without having to go and actually search for a freelancer that will do it for you. So basically, I would go with Behance here. So if this video was helpful, guys, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.